Betty Studio!
KNC Bible Verse Memorization Challenge Day 203 Omega Teacher Bible Verse of the Day Psalms 37:21 in King James Version. The wicked borroweth and payeth not again, but the righteous sheweth mercy and giveth. Psalms 37:21. Thanks be to God po. Share the love.
Psalms 37:21 in Tokusin version or in Papua New Guinea language or Psalm 37:21. All man inobut ikisim binaw na all ino bekim gen. Kason all strep laman iso im sorry na all igibim sangting or Psalm 37:21. And in Tagalog version, awit 37:21. Ang masama ay humihiram at hindi nagsasauli. Ngunit ang matuwid ay nahahabag at nagbibigay. Awit 37:21. King James Cuisine Bible. Talk thank you, Eagle God. Salamat sa Diyos. Thanks to God. To the love.
Good job. Perfect.